Okay, my render is done. So all of my frames are in here. Let's go. So you can edit this video in editing software, but I think most of you guys don't have a video editing software. But I'm pretty sure you have Blender. So we can do video editing in Blender, but it's really bad in Blender. Here, okay. You can press this plus button, video editing. You can add image sequence, and you can go to your place. Nope. Frames. Then press A, so select all of them, and add image strip. Wait, remove this. Let's change a few things here, because when you let's see. You can see now. We can change this to FMPEG video. Color management. No. Go to here. Motion blur. Of course, we need that. Color management. Standard. Okay, that's standard. Good job. No. Flow mode. Yeah, standard. Okay. If your one's not standard, change it to standard. I think that's good. That's good, boy. Oh, we can change that frames to 30 now. And then save it somewhere you want. Dish dot or name is me. No, just kidding. No. Plant. Meat. Eating. Plant. I don't know. That's the name I want to do it. Do we need a .png or something? .png. Oh no! No! Don't do .png because this is a video. Let's press accept. And let's click the render button. Actually, this last frame. Yeah, here. Let's scroll down. Let's make this last frame a bit longer. Yeah. Let's render the animation. Let's go. You can see the frames up here. Oopsies. I forgot the end. The end is here. We want to change the end to 119. Okay. Now render animation. And it should be done soon. Nice. Now if we go to Armor. Support Armor. Oh yeah, that I made that. I can make a tutorial on that later. Delete the one that's 250. A bit fast, but it's okay. Nice. Nice. You can play around with it. Don't save. Changes are. One thing I did wanted to change is this. So if we go to shading, I want to render a picture. So for that, you don't need to do this. You can do this with animation. I actually don't want this material. I want a new material. New. and change the base color to green and make it go down a bit. That's what I want. And plus this, oh, this green stuff. Wait. Bruh. Wait. We didn't put color for the leaves. Nice. Oh, and by the way, yeah. So if we get a render, let's render this. So, render image. It's saying frame 1, but it's a picture, so it won't go through all of the frames. It will just go through this. The denoising. Dun, 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 dun. Save. We can save it. Oh, yeah. So render image. And I'll just wait for it to render. So what you can do is image, save as. Go to where you want to save it. I always save it in my folder. And then I'll call it the plot. Alright, done. Save. And no. And then we could go to Omer. And that's the original. Look at the changes. This is the original one. Literally really bad. And then the real one. So look, you can see the differences. This one is darkish. It has a mission, and yeah. But this one, that looks epic. Seriously, like look at the horns, the teeth.